What are you doing here? Why are the chickens in the yard? Where did they come from? So, I've got feral outdoor cats, like Callie there. Now it seems I've got feral outdoor chickens. Interesting. There's a few of these guys. Ironically, if they're eating the cat's food, which I guess they are, it's chicken flavoured. I guess they're cannibal chickens. Yeah. It's interesting because the cats don't seem bothered by the chickens and the chickens don't seem bothered by the cats. How will it end? I don't know. Anyway, feeding time. So here we are, just feeding the indoor kiddies their dinner. I know. You're not hungry yet, Emerson? How about you, Slinky? But you know who is hungry? Because while I've been feeding these guys, you see who's out there? It's Chicken McChickenface, watching the feeding, because he knows that I'm going to be feeding the outdoor kiddies just now, and he's going to get some. And some of his siblings are out there as well. I don't know.